Hi everybody, welcome to another video of 25 Christmas cookies from around the world with the Cookbook Kitchen. Today we are going to Germany and we are trying out Nussecken. I hope I've pronounced it correctly, and if I've not, I'm so sorry. So let's see what you're working with so that we can begin. I've gotten this recipe from our website. Let me confirm the name. The name of the website is called Between Two Kitchens. I'll put a link in the description where you can get this exact recipe and try it out. Karibu sana. We have a couple of things. We have ingredients for the cookie base and for the toppings. So I'll start with the cookie base. I have some almond flour and some custard sugar, plain flour, some eggs, butter, salt and cinnamon, apricot jam. Let's work with the cookie base, then I'll show you the ingredients for the filling. We are going to combine all the ingredients in this bowl. So the flour, the eggs, the butter, cinnamon and salt. We are going to mix our ingredients until they all combine. We will chill our dough for 30 minutes. We are going to roll our dough on this baking paper and to flour it a bit. We have heard on high, sweetly singing o'er the plains and the mountains in the sky, echoing their joy strain. We'll bake it for 15 minutes. Time to deal with our toppings. I'll start with my butter, sugar, and the honey. Come to Bethlehem and see him whose birth the angels sing. Come adore on bended knee. What we need to make sure is that it all combines. So we have to be careful that we don't burn the honey. While it's still hot, we are going to add our nuts. I have some sliced almonds and walnuts. We'll set this aside. Then the next thing is the jam. We're going to heat it until it's slightly runny. We're going to brush our jam on top. So tender in mind, sleep in heavenly peace. Then we top it with the nut mixture. Sleep in heavenly peace. Back into the oven for another 22 to 25 minutes. Shepherds quake at the sight. Glory stream from heaven
Silent night, holy night, Son of God, love's pure light, radiant beams from thy holy face. With the dawn of redeeming grace, Jesus, Lord, at thy birth. Jesus, Lord, at thy birth.